Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we going to know the colors name. Orange color, blue color, pink color, red color, purple color and light green color. Now let's learn the alphabet A to Z. First A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Next B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Next kids, C for car. C for car. Next D for dolphin. D for dolphin. Next kids, E for elephant. E for elephant. Next kids, F for fish. F for fish. Next kids, G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Next H for house. H for house. Next kids, I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Next kids, J for jam. J for jam. Next K for king. K for king. Next kids, L for lion. L for lion. Next M for moon. M for moon. Next kids, N for nest. N for nest. Next kids, O for octopus. O for octopus. Next P for parrot. P for parrot. Next kids, Q for queen. Q for queen. Next R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Next S for sun. S for sun. Next kids, T for time. T for time. Next U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Next V for vegetable. V for vegetable. Next W for water. W for water. Next X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Next Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Next Z for zoo. Z for zoo. What we learn? We learn A for aeroplane, B for butterfly, C for car, D for dolphin, E for elephant, F for fish, J for giraffe, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jam, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for time, U for umbrella, V for vegetable, W for water, X for X-ray, Y for yo-yo and Z for zoo. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.